Okay, Doctor Sleep sequel.
Made in Manhattan.
Made Manhattan.
Jennifer Lopez.
Ray Fiennes.
Michael
Watch.
Pena.
Okay.
Ang weird ng chat sa voice call. Hindi ko nagagets.
May ganyan din sa Teams. Kapag
Michael Peña pala, inisip ko Michael Cera.
Hindi, pero
Okay.
ang hirap hanapin yung chat.
It might as well not exist. I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, ano to?
There's a maid and there's a doctor and they're dead. What?
Kung Watchmen, Dr. Manhattan.
Oh,
Zack Snyder ba yun?
Watch. Merong watch sa Greek.
May
Orange.
Zack Snyder ba
Zack
yun?
Snyder, yes. Zack Snyder.
Okay.
Good job.
My God, that watch in Watchmen is so bad.
Gabi, itatype ko na lang dito.
Pagalitan ka ni Hinantay ko na i-back mo tapos papagalitan ka ni TZ.
Wait, am I going number going up, right?
808. Oh,
Okay.
patas.
Okay, James Franco, hindi totoo na mystery yan. Okay. Siya yung Hours.
Yes.
Survival mystery.
Danny Boyle yan.
Danny
Meron
Boyle.
movie
ba?
na Love and Other Drugs.
Anne Hathaway yun.
Sige.
Oo.
And Jake
With
Gyllenhaal.
Jake Gyllenhaal.
Sige. Okay, so itong dalawa, tsaka si Natalie Portman.
Prequel.
Oo.
Tara.
Prequel.
Danny Boyle, Ewan McGregor train drugs. Baba mo si Danny Boyle. Train spotting.
Wow.
So easy. Josiah, kailan mo i-upload yung secret recording?
Mamaya.
Recording.
Okay.
Secret record.
Okay, this one is Uncut
Little Women.
Gems.
Tag mo pa sila eh.
Okay, this one is Interstellar.
Jessica Chastain.
Yeah.
May Little Women. Angat mo si Florence tsaka si Greta.
Eh kung dito na lang yung ano.
Oh, sige,
Pwede
pwede
rin.
rin.
Alfonso Cuarón.
Harry
Potter.
Potter.
Harry Potter.
Okay.
Execution. Si Buckley.
Magic Nolan. Wala.
Adam Sandler. Okay, there's 4 directors here. So one of them is our director of ano. One of them is our victim.
Victim.
Si Nolan yung familiar tayo eh.
Little Magic
Magic.
Black Hole.
Magic, Idina Menzel, and Wizard of Oz. What the?
Greta Gerwig.
I don't know.
Pwede namang hindi gamitin yung director, di ba?
Pwede.
It's likely na ginamit yung director.
There has to be one kasi apat yun.
Sige, it's likely na one director tsaka one actor. Kasi apat din yung actor eh.
Meron kasing Jessica Chastain tas gambling, yun yung Molly's Game. For the third and fourth, marami kasing may mga cameo dun eh.
Gambling Women. Baka ganun. Oh man.
No, don't.
Too late. I have already wasted so many swaps. Okay.
Swap.
Magic Gambling Women.
Magic Black Hole.
Adam Sandler Magic.
Hindi, teka, baka may sine together si Jessica Chastain tsaka si Gary Oldman tsaka si Adam Sandler. Tsaka si Florence Pugh. Wait, tatlo na sila dito. So that doesn't work.
Who's Greta Gerwig?
Siya yung director ng Little Women, tsaka ng Barbie, tsaka ng Wonder Woman.
I'm remembering The Activist for some weird reason.
Teka, may Wonder Woman
Thunberg
siya?
yun eh. Thunberg.
No, Thunberg pala. Nga pala. Yeah.
Greta Thunberg.
Execution.
Hindi, yung normal lang siyang aktivista.
Kaya ano pa yung mga Safdie brothers na movies?
Wait, what's an abnormal activist?
I have no
Kasi
idea.
akala ni
Uncut
Cecil from
Gems.
a movie.
Oh, okay. No, no.
Alam mo.
Abnormal.
I thought like, what's an abnormal activist?
Ano pa yung mga Alfonso Cuarón na movies? Gravity.
Gravity.
May black
Pwede
hole
ba-
doon.
Pwede ba yung black hole?
Wala.
Wala.
Nasira lang yung spaceship nila.
Lagi bento kayo ng plato.
Maybe docking.
May
Like,
execution ng
Ace
women.
docking.
The act of cutting off the tail of a dog.
What?
Docking.
No, docking like the spaceship was docking and then sumabog because of gravity. I haven't watched Gravity.
Well,
sorry.
may nakadock na spaceship doon.
Sige,
Pero-
may women doon. Tsaka si Adam Sandler.
So bad. Parang women can be used like in any movie with a girl in it. Like,
Magic gambling.
What if execution?
Now you see me, ganun.
Oh,
Execution.
kung execution,
Wala.
lame.
Parang feeling ko execution kasi weird siya na keyword for Azkaban. Eh.
Di ba? I
Right.
agree.
feeling ko
Oo, so-
eliminate natin si Adam Sandler.
Execution something. Execution by docking.
Are you gonna
Yes.
execute Adam Sandler?
Christopher Nolan execution. Prestige yan.
Sinong in-execute sa Prestige?
But you can't have magic and execution. in the
Magic
same-
din yun.
You can't
Nasa
have
scene.
magic and execution. Kasi
Execution Florence Pugh. No. Ewan. No idea. This is probably an obscure movie.
Let's die.
Swaps.
Ito na, makukuha ko lahat in one go. No, that's impossible. Oppenheimer.
Oppenheimer.
Sino ba yung
Benny
Benny?
Safdie? Nandun siya? Okay.
Talaga?
I have no idea.
Anong role niya doon?
Sino ba siya?
Si Nolan yung
Oo.
director eh.
Oo
Oo.
nga eh.
Yung
Baka
sayang
na
din
ganun
ni
siya.
Rai.
Assistant director.
Ha?
Hindi rin alam ni Rai yung
Order.
object.
Yung order.
Kasi nga hindi sila nakagano kadaming
Trash talkin mo din.
kills.
Tinrash talk na niya yung sarili niya. Sabi niya.
Oh,
Ang-
nasaan si Cecil? Eh, si Paul
Naririnig niya
Thomas
lang
Anderson.
yung una. Kaya alam niya yung una. Tapos
Okay.
naririnig niya sa kalaban yung huli.
Kaya ano pa to? Sinong director na to? Alex Garland?
Ex Machina din yan eh.
Oo nga. Yan nga yung binubuo ko.
Oo nga.
Master
May
karaoke
P.T.
ka pa.
Anderson ulit oh. Cecil.
Oo nga, kaya tawagin mo na si Cecil. Okay, si Nicolas Cage.
Tapos in translation ba,
PTA
Japan?
Master.
Oh,
PTA
sorry,
Master Hoffman.
Karaoke sila doon. Diba?
Sofia Coppola daw. Ha? Ano?
Japan,
Maganda.
Sofia Coppola, yes. Scarjo, karaoke.
Lost in translation.
Okay.
Adaptation. Okay. O, apat na yung director.
Hmm.
Dinaya tayo nung kanina, dalawang director yung ginamit.
artificial intelligence.
Na-trash to ka ni Cecil Roy.
Bakit? What?
Spike Jones, Scarjo, her
No,
yan.
her.
Oo, her yan.
Ay,
Nandun
Joaquin
din ba
Phoenix.
si...
Si
Oo,
Joaquin
Joaquin
Phoenix.
Phoenix. Siya yung bida.
Wow.
Siya yung bida Clay.
Siya yung
Tama.
jowa. Sa kanya si her. Sa kanya
Right.
si her.
Si Joaquin
Forgot.
Phoenix.
Siya may-ari kay her.
Siya si him.
Her it is.
I am him.
That he's him.
Interview with the Vampire.
Uy. May interview tsaka may vampire.
Kirsten Dunst.
Kirsten Dunst.
Nandun si Antonio
Antonio
Banderas.
Banderas.
Yeah. Antonio Banderas. Stalking?
60 minutes, Robin Williams, photo.
1
Ay,
hour photo.
60
Stalking, yes. Yeah, tama.
1
Photo
hour.
Robin Williams stalking.
Magkasama
60
na yung
minutes.
dalawa eh.
Basta.
Thank you for
Kasi
smoking.
ikaw yung magkiklik doon.
Ano to? Thank you.
For stalking the cab driver.
Vampire.
Vampire.
Satire. Sad.
Uh,
Michael Mann.
Hi, may
Michael
Watch
malakaw.
Mann
satire
Tobacco.
interview.
Oh, wait, we're
Oy,
being
what?
recorded.
60
We're being
minutes
recorded.
satire interview.
wala akong what?
Sige, go.
Work. Ano?
I did my work early.
So, tapos na for the day.
Well, I can spend it whenever I want. But yeah.
Ano sabi mo? Che Guevara? Ano?
Satire interview, 60 minutes.
Ano yung first one before interview? What did you say before?
Satire.
Satire daw,
Satire.
satire.
Hula lang yan.
Oy.
Iba yung hit.
Michael Mann yung gusto ko ilagay.
Tobacco ata.
The
Yeah,
inside.
the inside. Yeah.
The inside her.
Sinong bida dyan? Can you click?
I barely know her.
Al Pacino.
Al Pacino.
Uy,
Al
Christopher
Pacino.
Plummer. David Lynch. Naomi Watts, David Lynch.
Ikaw lang nanonood ng mga sine ni David Lynch.
Yeah.
Ano binubuo mo?
Sabi lang siya ng random
Hans
name.
Zimmer Pirate, Penelope. Stranger.
Penelope, Hans Zimmer. Nasa ito, Pirate. On Stranger Things.
Stranger
Okay.
Tides.
Amnesiac, Naomi Watts, David Lynch. And
Naomi Watts TV. So,
are you thinking of The Ring?
oo.
Baka yun yung Across.
Yun yung American remake.
American remake.
Oh. Wait.
So, ano
yung
Meron na
pangatlo
to eh.
na... Di ko... Hollywood ata? Yung pangatlo? There we go. Mulholland Drive.
So, Stranger.
Alam ka namang Pirate. Grabe.
Oy.
Hans
Is it
Zimmer.
Hans
Hans
Zimmer?
Zimmer.
Hans Zimmer siguro.
Paano gagawin?
I know the drill.
What are the rest? I saw the what?
So the TV Glow.
What are these things?
Old Boy.
Old Boy.
This is like a horror movie na last year lang eh. Ayan. Okay, let's try that. Ano yung pinatry mo sa amin nung isang araw, Liz, na mahirap?
Oh, I forget.
Movie Del.
Movie Del.
Let's
Iba
do
naman
this
yan.
one. It's so dumb.
Oh, ano ka ulit? Pati yung mga agents. 53 and 41.
My God. Tandaan na niya na.
Ano ang ino-open natin na ano?
Love
Love
Actually.
Actually.
Umalis tuloy si
Si 44.
Comedy drama. 2003.
Comedy drama
Walang
greater
na-hit
than
sa baba.
2003.
Wala.
50
Kasi
first
red.
dates. Hindi.
Adam, Sandler, Drew.
Anong mga sine ni Paul Feig?
Penelope Cruz. Hindi ka siya.
Tipong Bridesmaids, ganun. Okay. Greater than 2011.
Sige pa, taas pa.
Hindi pa lang kasya Paul Feig. Ano? Hindi na pwede yung mga Adam Sandler. Out of era na.
Comedy drama na 2011.
Na matatanda yung bida. 53. Tsaka what? 41.
Steve Carell.
40-year-old virgin.
Bucket list.
2011.
Ano yung movie niya with
Kira
yung tatay
Knightley.
siya?
Joke lang.
Yung tatay
Crazy
siya
Stupid
tapos...
Love.
Ayun.
Crazy Stupid Love.
Pwede.
Wala, hindi rin ata yung pasok sa year. Hindi pwede yan.
Yung yung ano sila parang parang nagde-drive sila ng mga Harley Davidson na bikes. Matatanda sila. Hug something ata yun. Riders.
Wild Hogs?
Wild Hogs.
Pwede,
Hindi
207.
pwede. 207 yun.
Okay, wag na to. Nagsawa na
Parang
ako.
7 pala yun.
Ang hirap, no? Titry ko rin siya mag-isa, wala akong masagot.
Isip kayo na comedy drama habang nagagawin. Baka may makita tayo dito.
Natin si Ryan pag naglalaro tayo niyan.
Pwede rin natin tawagin si Ryan now.
Spider-Man.
Marisa
Ano
Tomei.
pinagdali si Ryan dito sa
Mission
dito
Impossible.
sa chat ng voice.
Jake,
That is Mission Impossible.
Teka lang.
Susundin.
Sa isa lang.
Rebecca Ferguson.
Teka,
Simon
Isa
Pegg.
lang.
ano pa ako sa Spider-Man? Marisa Tomei,
Spider-Man.
Zendaya.
William
Jake
Dafoe.
Gyllenhaal. William Dafoe.
Hindi pwedeng William Dafoe tsaka Jake Gyllenhaal magkasama.
Sige. Pili ka.
Hindi sila in the same movie. Kung si Jake Gyllenhaal, ano yung fourth mo? Samuel Jackson. Nandun si Samuel Jackson sa sa No Way Home. Okay, this one is Darling something.
Darling. Don't worry, darling.
Si Chris Pine. So Mission Impossible natin is Simon Pegg, Rebecca.
Rebecca.
Rebecca
Ford.
The Northman.
Rebecca.
Patigil ko.
Okay. Let's go.
Hirap ito. Anya Taylor-Joy, Samuel L. Jackson. No. Mas thinking something. Some M. Night Shyamalan, yung trilogy niya. Yung Untouchable, Unbreakable. Pero wala pala.
May iba pa bang movie si Harry Styles?
Meron.
Eternals. Sa post-credit.
Sa dulo.
Ay, nasa siya? Dunkirk siya, di ba? Dunkirk.
How does that help us?
Was that Harry Styles? That was Harry Styles, right? Oh. Jake Gyllenhaal.
Si Rebecca Ferguson tsaka si Florence Pugh tsaka si Zendaya nasa Dune. Tsaka si Anya Taylor-Joy.
Oo nga.
Mahirap yung si Anya Taylor-Joy kasi siya yung unborn child.
Yeah. Part 2. Right.
Grabe, drum technique.
May Ralph Macchio.
Joe Pesci.
Karating part 2 na to eh.
Part 2.
Japan. Okay.
Ano?
Now, go ahead. Yung across ata yung Martin Scorsese, Japan.
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pang-apat na.
Drum technique. Instead of
yung thing. Okay.
wax in, wax out.
So ano yung sa'yo? Scorsese
across,
tsaka
Scorsese, Missionaries, and
Andrew
Garfield, yeah.
Silence. Okay. So
Scorsese, gangster.
May gangster si Scorsese.
Pesci.
Tsaka si Hugh Grant. Di bagay.
Swap ko na muna yung dalawang green.
Ano ba yung last dapat dyan? Monopoly? I don't know.
Tick, boom.
Samuel L. Jackson? Goodfellas?
I forget. Nandun ba siya?
Ewan. I don't remember. Nandun pala siya.
Was he a good fella?
The goodest of fellas.
Nocturnal Animals si Jake Gyllenhaal.
Nocturnal Animal.
Nandun si Amy Adams din.
Di ba the movie is titled Paul?
Yes.
So ano pa?
Alien ba siya?
Alien. Iakyat mo yung alien, ibaba mo yung Amy Adams. There you go.
Cunning linguist.
Cunning linguist.
Africa, Wakanda, Ryan Coogler.
Si
Arrival.
Arrival.
My lord.
Teka lang
Forrest Whitaker, Africa, Zuri. Ay,
Ano Zuri?
Zuri pala
Forrest
yun.
Whitaker, nasa Arrival din siya, si Forrest Whitaker.
Usog mo si Africa sa ibang room. Ano yung Zuri?
Black Panther.
Zuri! Nagugulo
Shuri.
ako sa Zuri.
Nalito din ako.
Yeah.
Pareho kami. Nilito niya ako.
Black Panther.
Uy, cunning linguist.
Mhm.
It's possible.
Puro
Jungle.
black people.
Medyo si Kevin Bacon.
O di, i-group mo na together with Spike Lee. It's probably one of his,
Sino?
Mga black people?
oo.
Malcolm
Hindi,
X?
nandun na pala yung tatlo. Yeah, pwede. Denzel Washington, Spike Lee. Tapos,
Wesley Snipes?
I don't know who else was in Malcolm X.
Kasama ba yun?
Kaya
dalawa?
Angela Bassett siguro.
Kaya panood ko kanina yung Blade 2. Andun pala si Norman Reedus.
Doon si
Talaga?
Donnie yan.
Blade 2?
Oo.
I was
Siya
watching
yung
it. I was
parang
like, uy, si Dead
assistant.
Standing.
Siya si Snowman.
Talaga?
Teka lang,
Assistant.
huwag kayong spoiler.
Alam ko lang, Blade 3 nandun sa Triple H.
Tsaka si Ryan Reynolds. Okay, teka
Oh.
lang. Si Mia Goth ba, may sine ba siya na Triple X?
Di ba si Ice Cube yan?
Si
Vin Diesel.
Vin Diesel, Ving Rhames. Teka, dito na tayo sa Pixar. Surely we can do the
Yung mga
Pixar
extra mo. Isa yung Pixar. Si Jamie
Pixar
Foxx,
Jungle.
dalawa.
Madagascar.
Ganun ba? Hindi yan
Hindi.
sim.
Pixar-
Uwi natin.
Pixar Jungle. Hindi Pixar yung Madagascar.
Hindi ba? Sige, DreamWorks ba yan? Zootopia.
Teka lang, si Francis McDormand, kasama yung pati ni Joel Cohen.
This is true.
Yeah.
So ano
Asawa niya yan.
Totoo?
Denzel Washington, may Macbeth sila na adaptation. Si Denzel Washington, Joel Cohen, and Francis McDormand.
Ay,
May
yung-
Macbeth.
Hindi ko nakita, sorry. O, ito.
Triple X.
Hollow Man.
Pwede na nating ilagay dito si Giancarlo.
Ayun, Malcolm X.
Ayun.
Sabi sa'yo, Miyagot Maxine pala yung title
Maxine.
ni Triple X.
Jungle
Soul.
Fever.
Jungle Fever.
O nga naman, Soul. Okay. Si Tina Fey yung
Tina
yung
Fey?
Soul. Si Jamie Foxx yung the musician guy.
Keeper.
Si Patrick Swayze, 3 lang ang sine yan.
Rachel McAdams School Bus
Yes,
Class.
Gravity.
Anong unahin mo?
Yung Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas.
Sige.
Sinong nandito, Clay?
Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas.
Mean Girls ba yung isa?
Yes, Rachel
Si-
McAdams School Bus.
Plastics. Tsaka Popular.
Dirty Dancing.
Gravity Dancing.
Popular yung kulang.
Oh!
Oh, Wicked.
Siyempre si Cherry.
Kanta pala. Sabi ko, ano kinalaman ng Gravity?
Gravity Dancing.
Sila mga
What?
May dumating na bagong player.
Kanina pa
pa
Kanina pa,
Kanina
kanina
ka
pa siya
pa pala dito.
nagsasalita.
Akala ko ikaw si Cry. Joke lang.
Snow White?
Super bad fake ID.
Sige. Skull
McLovin.
Island.
May McLovin ba?
Wala.
Step Brothers. Donkey, True Love's Kiss Swamp.
Donkey.
Shrek pala.
These eyes?
Donkey Kong Brothers.
Mm,
Super.
Mario.
Super
Oh.
Mario. Super.
See, I'm okay with that green one kasi they're all like words in the title. Pero minsan talaga pag pangit yung...
Minsan he has to
That's
make a stretch for
the
the across.
challenge.
Uy, si Batista.
Yeah.
Oh, this is Dune.
Feel ko dun yung green.
Villeneuve.
Si Yun ba?
May
Hindi pala Dune.
Devil
Blade
Wears
Runner.
Prada.
Si Ana
Ana
de
de
Armas.
Armas. Baka
Tapos,
across.
si Ryan Gosling siya kasi Emily Blunt may movie sila. Maganda to. Yung stuntman siya. Ang title nito.
Fall Guy.
Fall Guy. Oh, maganda yan.
Si Jordan Peele at si Daniel Kaluuya, Get Out.
Mm-mm.
Yung taas,
Jordan
Anne Hathaway,
Peele.
Stanley, Meryl, Emily.
Ano yung sa'yo? Anne Hathaway, Meryl Streep.
Emily.
Prada.
Emily Blunt. Emily Blunt.
Stanley
Stanley
Tucci.
No,
Tucci.
Stanley Tucci.
Prada.
Teka lang Kiki Palmer yata nandito. Tsaka si Minawi.
Oh, si Jaime naglalaro na ng Brotato.
Nope.
Yeah.
Ibang movie.
Mhm. I guess not. Unless nandun si Guy Ritchie or si okay, fine. It could be anyone. Cry, This Is All You.
May Okja ba dyan?
Si Steven Yeun. Si Parasite ang director nun eh.
Bong
Hirap
Joon-ho.
to Kiki Palmer. Stanley Tucci. No. Emily Blunt. Wala akong maisip. Dave Bautista. May Dave Bautista, Emily Blunt ba?
Wala. Si The Rock ang favorite na wrestler niya, Emily Blunt.
Right. Ryan Gosling, Emily Blunt. Parang merong ganyan.
Yung nga Fall Guy.
Ayaw nga. Baka yun. Hindi kaya. Ryan Gosling, Anne Hathaway.
Ang dami ko nang winaste na swaps on that on that area.
On that
Ryan
assumption.
Gosling, Meryl Streep. Meryl Streep for sure, wala yan sa Orange. Parang I don't see her working with...
Si Batista.
Saan?
Si Batista, Statham, tsaka si Meryl Streep. Together again. Are we just going to lose?
Brad Pitt, Ryan Gosling. May ganun ba?
Jordan Peele has like 3 movies.
Parang may Brad Pitt, Ryan Gosling nga. Yung action movie na, what's that? Yung Bullet Train ba yun?
Wala si Ryan Gosling dun.
Ay, wala ba eh?
Ang nandun si si Aaron Taylor Johnson. Siya yung scruffy white person na andun.
Wait, Benicio del Toro, Denis Villeneuve, that is, Sicario. Emily Blunt.
Ay, Emily Blunt, nga.
And si Daniel Kaluuya. Yeah. Tama. There we go.
Good job, Sicario.
Sicario nga.
I thought we would die. I forgot. He also does non-sci-fi.
Yeah.
Dolomite.
Gabi eh. Hindi ko maseryoso kasi dito si Rob Schneider.
Dolomite. That's parang black exploitation na comedy satire.
Quantum Decoherence.
I think nandyan baka nandyan si Eddie Murphy. Stop motion?
I Love Dogs.
Good job.
Uy.
Ano yung Eddie Murphy na body swap? Doon natin
Professor.
Ano?
Hindi, yung umilaw dyan is yung Japan body swap name.
Oo, gano'n.
Eddie Murphy, Keegan-Michael Key, Dolomite yung tatlo sa taas na yellow.
Ano yung body swap in Japan?
Call me by your name. Comet.
Your name. Comet. Your name.
Yung your name. Call me by your iba pala yan.
What the hell are
Right.
you doing?
What? Now we just need to swap the blues around. Wait, no, that's hindi pala. We just need to swap the greens around.
I'm very confused.
Glow sticks.
Wait.
Hey, Roy! Mali
Roy, stop. Yung nakalinya is si Keegan-Michael Key, Dolomite.
Yung bababa. Okay, hindi pala yung across. Okay, sorry. I was so confused. Okay, ano yung kasama?
The greens with the blue.
Sige. Ay, nabuo. Dolomite is my name. See, we still did it.
Good job.
Pinigilan ka ni TZ.
James Cameron. Zoe Saldana. That is Avatar. Andy Serkis. Sigourney Weaver.
Sige na nga.
Yan yung green.
Ay.
No.
Andy Serkis, Elijah Wood, Peter Jackson.
Ian McKellen.
Sino yung...
Teka lang, sino muna yung fourth na to?
Piling ko yan yung green.
Kate Winslet. Nandun si Kate Winslet din nata sa 2, I think.
Way of Water.
Nasaan si ito? So ito yung green natin.
Kailan yung 3? This year ba yun? This December or next year?
This year.
So this December.
Teka lang i-align ko lang si Elijah tsaka si...
Dang it.
Ayan.
So bagay, kahit saan naman kasi lahat naman Limax na ngayon.
Swap mo yung dalawang puti.
Una.
So swap ko itong dalawa.
Bakit?
Pwede din.
Oh.
Okay, then this one. What is this? Si Kate Winslet kasama niya.
Right.
Tama na.
Sige, you can quit at any time.
Okay.
I'll keep going till I die. No.
Sure. Free Willy. It's a
Keep
whale.
going.
There's a rescue.
Box chocolates sa bus stop.
Shrimp fishing.
Teka lang.
Kulang mo free.
Are you
Forrest
green?
Gump yung isa.
You are not green. Okay. So, ito si Chocolates yung Forrest Gump.
Shrimp
A
fishing.
box.
And the box of chocolate.
Okay. Itong tatlo yung si Willy Wonka magkasama, di ba? Origin story yan. Then we just swap these. Bones and
Dracula
all.
Untold.
Dracula Untold. Okay.
Medyo decent naman yun, yung movie na yun.
Alin? Yung Dracula?
Yung Dracula.
Kasi kung Untold siya, bakit siya may sine? Okay. Kapag may Kree Captain Marvel na yan agad. There's a cat.
Flood, Emma,
There's a cat.
biblical.
Ano to? By flood dito?
Flow.
Lagay mo si Emma at biblical kay Flood.
Emma Watson?
Yes, Noah's Ark.
Red Panda Toronto concert yata.
Profsky ata yan eh. Yung
Animated
Noah.
pala.
Aronofsky.
May trabaho pa.
Ano si Emma Watson dun?
Anak,
Siya si Noah.
asawa ng anak.
Siya si Noah.
Hindi pwedeng asawa ni Noah kasi, hindi pwedeng anak ni Noah kasi tatlong lalaki ang anak ni Noah. Okay, si Glenn Powell saka si Sydney Sweeney. Meron silang anyone but
Meron.
Anyone but you.
Anyone but you.
Australia yung kulang.
it's set in Australia?
Yeah.
I
Okay,
see.
Kristen Stewart, Werewolves. Franchise?
Franchise.
Pregnancy.
Pregnancy?
My lord.
I guess.
Ang weird na
Party
keywords na yun.
Dance, Julie Andrews, musical.
Probably yung pregnancy na yung keyword dyan kasi that's a weird keyword to choose for Twilight.
Bakit? Malay mo.
Baka gusto niya lang kasi para ma-Breaking Dawn. Kaya may pregnancy.
Baka pwede rin yung pregnancy sa Green. May meron bang pregnant nun?
World War II. Ay, oo. Sydney Sweeney, Nuns. Pregnancy. May horror siyang ganun, di ba?
It's set in Italy.
Yata.
Immaculate.
Immaculate.
Galing nga.
Totoo nga.
Pinanood ni Cry yun last year lang yun.
Hindi, horror yan eh. Ugh.
Yuck.
Nanonood pa ba kayo sa sinihan?
Dave Patel, game show.
Ang last
Danny
kong
Boy.
pinanood. Dave Patel.
Minsan.
Slumdog.
Sobrang
Best
rare na.
picture.
Cry, may horror ulit to.
Horror zombie Korea train.
Si ano to, si
Sinihan
Almighty, ayan, si Steve. O nga, parang maganda yung Badlands, ano?
Parang
Pwede
tinamad ako. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Disney.
Disney? Class struggle? Joke lang.
Train to Busan daw yung isa.
Train to Busan yung isa. Train Korea horror zombies.
Ay, mali. Oh, well.
Ayun.
Galing.
Ano to?
Florida Project.
Yan. Uy, hindi pa
Hindi
buo.
pa tapos.
Ay, hindi pa ba? May green pa pala. Okay.
May green.
How about
Best
yung
picture.
Hotel Transylvania ba yun?
Hindi,
May
na tayo,
ganun.
Parasite.
Class struggle.
Ay, oo nga.
Flood.
Right.
Yun na sana ibubuhay ko nung nakita ko yung class struggle sa Korea.
Good job.
Oh.
X.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
X
Sige.
repeat 3 times.
Nandun
triple
si Ice
X.
Cube.
Sorry.
Nagboses doon si Ice Cube ng isang character.
Ice Cube X 3 times.
Repeat 3 times.
Triple X.
Oh my God!
State of the Nation. State of the Union.
So dumb.
Tawan-tawa na si Jaime. Benta na naman si Jaime.
Enemy of the state.
Beetlejuice yung repeat 3 times na isa.
Kaya kailangan nyo repeat 3 times. That makes sense now.
Okay.
No, it does not.
Pretty funny puzzle.
It was still dumb.
Pilit.
Yeah, I agree it's split, but it's just so funny that it
Ice
went
Cube,
there.
Ice Cube.
Si Luis Guzman.
Hugh Jackman, Idris Elba.
Jordan Peele.
May kick-ass ba dyan?
There's
Jim
a
Carrey, Chloe Grace Moretz, saka Aaron Taylor.
tas may may superhero movie. That's not
Teka lang, stop. TZ, what are you saying?
Jim Carrey, lagay mo sa pinaka-left. Palit mo kay ScarJo.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
This
so
is Hitman 2.
Hit girl, not man. She's a girl.
but also a man.
He's not a man.
No, like human. Like hey,
May
man.
Nicolas Cage ba dito? Where?
Yes.
No, I mean on the board. Baka hindi ko na.
I'm sorry.
Patrick Stewart, Aaron Taylor Johnson, and Hugh Jackman.
James Marsden.
Keanu.
James Marsden.
Jordan Peele, Keegan-Michael Key, Keanu
X-Men.
Reeves.
Sino yung isa pa?
Keanu yung
James,
movie.
Hugo, Patrick. Sino yung isa pang sinabi niyo?
Aaron Taylor
Aaron
Johnson.
Taylor Johnson.
Ah, okay. Wait, is he the correct one?
Si ano?
Oh no!
Hindi
He was
Hindi
not the correct
umilaw.
one. It's the other
Not the
one.
correct one.
What's the name
Who
of the
else?
other one?
It's not there.
shit,
Baba mo na lang si
nga.
Jordan Peele. Muna.
Yeah, wala dyan.
Halle
Ni Halle
Berry.
Berry.
Halle
Ayun ang
Berry
Jeffrey
story.
Dahmer.
Halle Berry nga, Halle Berry.
Diba Toy Story yung Jordan Peele? Kan Michael Keane. Sa akin.
Keanu yan, Keanu.
Oh. Good job.
Ando pala si
Five
Daniel
shots.
Kaluuya.
Jungle
Actually,
Book.
hindi ko pala napanood tong Kick-Ass 2, so I wouldn't have known.
Okay, Kaluuya.
Teka, anong pangalan ni Other Quicksilver?
Pinag-play kay Jeffrey Dahmer.
Yeah.
Sa American Horror Story ba siya? Kasama niya si Sarah Paulson.
No, ayun. Hindi, parang ibang movie.
Oh! Titignan ko tuloy. Hindi ba may quiz night recently na may tanong yung ano? Yung silang dalawa
Si Bundy yun.
Silang dalawa ni Sarah Paulson, yung actors na lumabas in multiple seasons ng American Horror Story. Okay. Never mind. Let's just do
Do you
something else.
wanna line up the black guys?
parang sa Pasito lang.
Huli.
Okay,
Huli
wait.
sa recording.
I could have worded that better.
Huli sa recording.
Ayan eh.
Paki-blip na lang po, Direk.
I could have worded that
May
better.
extra. Si Keegan tsaka si Lupita. 6 sila.
Wow, pa-nitro boost.
Okay, iba yung Jim Carrey. This is Sonic.
Ay, oo nga.
Oo nga, Sonic.
Si Keanu.
Keanu.
Doon sa pangatlo.
Sonic. Siya si Knuckles.
Hindi, siya si Shadow.
Si Shadow pala.
Kahit nakuha mo na, nag-prompt pa rin na one up left.
Mga alam mo. You just barely made it.
Panic.
Okay, who is the last king of Scotland?
Anthropomorphic animals.
Sing?
Si ano yun, di ba? Si Forrest Whitaker, yung movie na yan.
Yeah.
Cherry, sino nasa Sing?
Si Scarjo. Si Reese. Si Matthew.
Okay.
Coen brother?
Get Hard yata ito. Kevin Hart.
Maganda.
Hard Prison.
Isa lang. Kevin Hart. Okay. Hindi siya pwede seryosohin.
Macbeth.
Lagay natin to si Will Ferrell.
Macbeth ulit. Shakespeare, King of Scotland, Coen brother.
Brother.
Okay.
Mag-isa lang siyang nag-direct. Okay.
Shakespeare na anthropomorphic animals. That's Lion King, right?
Nag-boses ba si Kevin Hart ng anthropomorphic animal?
Meron.
Parang rabbit siya or something.
Rabbit siya, oo. Pets.
Ano yun?
Pets yung title. Pets 2.
Baka yung live action Lion King to.
Ano yung
Sige,
red
sige,
book?
sige,
Saan yung
sige,
red
Kai.
book?
Pilitin mo yan.
Nandun ba si Kevin Hart?
Wala.
Si Will Ferrell?
Wala din.
Matthew McConaughey. Candy? Bees? Wait. Reese Witherspoon.
Singing Bee. Wala.
Yung musical ba na Peter Pan?
Hook?
Yeah, Hook. Yeah, that's right.
That's not a musical.
It's a cut, but it's a play. But is the movie a play variant? No. Yung Disney na naalala ko eh.
Ano, do we give up?
No, wait. Let's identify weird keywords. Baka yun yung pwede maging anchor
Maubusan na
natin.
tayo ng swaps.
Maybe Coen brother. Parang unusual siya na keyword for Tragedy of Macbeth. So,
Nag-Duolingo na pala ako.
Coen
King
brother.
Prison. Les Miserables. Hindi.
Well, may...
Pinasa sa blue.
Hmm.
Hirap ng blue.
Was singing.
Okay.
Hard.
Bees anthropomorphic animals.
Ano yung B story? Ayan.
The B story.
B-movie.
The
B movie.
Lagi mo si Will Ferrell.
Zoolander.
Wala na to. Why?
What is that? I have no idea.
Shakespeare.
Sing Sing. Kainis.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I was right. Sing Prison.
Bill Hader
Uy.
goes to the cinema.
Ben Schwartz.
Something of a scientist.
Okay, ito magkasama ito eh. Yung Renfield dito.
I am something of a scientist myself.
Ay, ito, bullet train ito.
Spider-Man na yan.
Bullet train ito. Brian Tyree Henry is obsessed with trains.
Brad Pitt nandun. Tama?
Yes.
Emma Stone as the mind of a child. Ano yan? Yung Yorgos Lanthimos. Ano to?
Yung ano, what's the
Title
title?
of that?
Something Things?
Ayan, Poor Things. Si Poor Things.
Poor Things. He got there dead. Ano
It
this
ba yung
Willem
ano?
Dafoe? Siya yung something of a scientist.
Ay,
It ba yung Bill Hader tsaka Bill Skarsgård?
Ano. It, nga, yeah. Tama, nandun nga si Bill Hader. And nandun din ata si Jessica Chastain.
Sino pang nandito?
James McAvoy leads the Losers Club. That's also it. There you go.
Doon nga si Rami Youssef.
Poor Things? Okay.
Renfield.
Puro mga
Okay.
recent na movies.
So Willem Dafoe is something of a scientist.
Ito lang yung alam ko na sino ni Joey King. Anyway, Spider-Man na yung isa.
Oo.
Joke lang. Walang Spider-Man.
Wala iba Spider-Man dyan eh.
Meron bang X-Men?
Jessica Chastain as Visions of Death.
Aaron Taylor, James McAvoy. Wala na.
Wala na.
Nasa X-Men ba si Aaron Taylor Johnson?
Ay,
si Nicholas Hoult yung ano.
Nicholas Hoult pa.
Ito na naman, na-confuse na.
Wala, hindi.
Nga, he's the wrong Quicksilver.
Avenger yan.
Sino si other Quicksilver? Okay, this is not a good query.
Si Jeffrey Dahmer yung i-google mo.
Evan Peters.
Evan Peters!
There you go.
Siya nga yung nasa American Horror Story.
I see.
Siya yung nasa tama si Roy doon sa quiz night. Silang dalawa nga ni Sarah Paulson yung sagot.
Si other Quicksilver. Ang maganda, siya nga yung multiple times na Quicksilver. Yung isa nabatay.
Nabatay agad.
Okay,
siya yung may iconic na scene.
Oo.
Is
Brad Pitt is unlucky.
si Emma Stone ba nasa Superbad rin?
Yes.
Super
Super bad.
Mm-mm.
How does that help us?
Well, Bill
Bill
Hader is
Hader.
also in.
And
Sa Orange.
Bill Skarsgård is a disfigured monster. Bill Hader goes to the cinema. Mm.
feeling ko madami yung Mark Ruffalo runs off with a woman. No, I don't know.
Itong recent movie ni Aaron Taylor Johnson.
Godzilla.
Craven the Hunter.
Si, what's this? Malala. Oh God.
Si Nicolas Cage ba yung master ni Rami?
Sige, pagdikit natin sila. Tapos isama natin si ito na lang, Visions of Death. No, this one. No, this one. It didn't work. Force wants to remain.
Baka yung Willem Dafoe is something
Can I-
of a scientist.
Go.
Shit, di ko alam yung... Underworld kaya?
Underworld.
Walang actors dyan na Underworld.
Yung problem ko, di ko alam yung mga actors eh. Pero I'm just guessing off the plot points. Like,
And yung werewolf. Ay, yung vampire.
si vampire, tapos master, and then like,
None of these people are in Underworld.
disfigured monster. Like,
Oo
I
nga
don't
eh.
know.
We're going to die.
Samahin mo lang mga broad na classification.
Yung mga broad na descriptions.
Try mo yung super bad ni TZ.
No, it's terrible.
Random swaps, go.
Then we'll just die.
Yes.
Oh, what's that?
Grabe.
Bill Skarsgård.
What the hell is this? Frankenstein? Nosferatu.
Nosferatu. Good job.
Si Robert Eggy, gabi, we barely made it.
Good job.
Oh, last na for the day. Quarter to 12 na pala.
Gutom ako.
Kain.
Midnight snack. Let's go.
Ito
Let's
na.
go, midnight snack.
Where's Wallace String?
May offer man.
Okay,
Who
anong sino
was
ni
that?
Jennifer Jason Lee?
Single white female.
Sa Michael B. Ryan Coogler.
Ano bang Ryan Coogler?
Jason
Ayun.
Lee.
Kasama
Magkaroon
nila
na si Tessa.
Bakit nandun ba si Tessa Thompson sa
Sa yung unang movie ni Michael B. tsaka ni Ryan Coogler. Plus nandun din si Tessa sa Creed. Sylvester Stallone.
Good job.
Oh, Ryan Coogler din pala to.
Ex-Scarlett Natalie Portman. Maybe.
Anong binubuo mo?
Aronofsky ba yan? Black Swan?
Annihilation. Oh, yeah, pwede. Oh, yeah, yun na lang. Natalie Portman,
Mila
Mila
Kunis.
Kunis.
Sino yung kasama nila? Sino yung the fourth?
Aronofsky. Ewan.
Who else? Who else was there?
Yung Tarantino, tsaka we can assume si Samuel L. Jackson kasama ni Tarantino.
Kelly Spiney, Kurt Russell.
I want to move Alex Garland here.
Oh, wow. What is that? That's Civil War. Kirsten Dunst.
Andun ba si Nick Offerman?
Yeah. What is that? Ah, Hateful Eight.
Black
Oh, yeah.
Swan.
The Racist Swan. Okay.
Oof. Probably not Tarantino kasi parang medyo
Avenger
narrow
movie
lang.
ba to?
Probably.
Hindi. Si
Wala sa
Natalie,
orange
si
eh.
Orange
Tessa.
eh. Yeah, I was about to say.
Walang orange.
Kurt Russell, Sylvester Stallone, nasa ano sila, no? Yung
Ano?
Guardians ba yun?
Oh, that's true.
Guardians 2.
That's true. Pero walang iba dito.
Yeah.
Ah,
Samuel L. Jackson, Tessa Thompson, Avengers din ba yan? Natalie Portman.
wala.
That's what I said. Walang
Oo.
orange daw.
Sinabi na niya.
Walang orange nga.
I don't know anything.
Thanks for the trivia, Jaime.
No problem.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed.
Binili mo ba talaga yung ano? Yung deck na yun?
Yeah. I mean, it's more of like a limited license. Like I said, he charged me by the estimated amount of participants. So, okay.
I don't approve. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Okay.
Ganda kong offeran siya next time. Kung bibili niya.
Alex Garland, Natalie Portman, Tessa Thompson.
Anong binubuo mo?
Annihilation ulit. Kasi alam ko mga babae yung mga nandun eh.
Wala
So,
si Tessa Thompson sa Annihilation.
Okay.
I think.
No, hindi ko na alam. So, Nick Offerman. Sino po pwede dyan? Mila Kunis? Some comedy? Or
Bakit inassume mo na comedy ko si Nick Offerman?
okay, fine. May range naman pala siya.
Hindi naman comedy yung Civil War.
Oo nga. And Dunst. And who else? Parang wala. Has she been in a movie with Mila Kunis? Kaylee Spaney.
I don't know who Kaylee Spaney is.
Nandun siya sa
Civil War.
biopic ni RBG. Who else was there?
Okay, I think we eliminate Tarantino and Coogler. Which leaves us Aronofsky and Garland, which is medyo seryosong directors. I don't know, man. We're getting nowhere.
Random swaps.
Oy! Grabe, tama si Clyde.
Yun nga. I told you, man. Si Jennifer Jason Leigh. Yun, mga babae lang i-line
Ando
up.
pala si Tessa Thompson. Akala ko wala siya doon.
Ewan.
Okay. That's it for tonight, guys.
GG.
Thank you.
Thanks again, Jaime.
Bye.
Right.
No problem.
Bye.
Bye.
Good night.